2, 3. Who says you can't engineer in the bush?
Not I.
1, 2, 3. That's a good test of my good test of the stairs.
You want to move that down just a little bit?
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
And this one should be able to pop right up.
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to the cabin. Today has been a long time coming. I've been wanting to get rid of the stove for quite a long time. It's lost its efficiency. This thing is from the 80s. It eats wood for fun, and it produces a lot of heat, but it doesn't last long. And there's been so many big hot fires in this thing is that the firebox is all warped out. You know, some of the glass isn't in all that great a shape. All the gaskets are bad. And I know you could probably replace all the gaskets, but I'm looking for something that's a lot more efficient and get a little bit better use out of all the wood that we're going through here. So as you saw, we're just bringing in a new wood stove. So let's see how this goes. We're just going to tear this one out, and yeah, we'll bring the other one in without breaking backs.
Straight. Yeah.
Oh, here's good. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Can't afford not to cave in. Oh man, that's gonna be hot in here. Young guy here. Wiggle up in here. That's kind of a dandy.
Stove.
Jesus, it ever big stove. Holy moly. That is gonna cook. Yeah.
You can cook right on top of it.
Oh yeah, you
Look at
could.
the
automatically entered to win the grand prize of $15,000 cash or one of 3 prizes of free gas and groceries. Thank